Hello and welcome to my YouTube channel, OZ Maths Classes. So today I'm going to discuss the MCQ problem of application of definite integrations. So let us begin with the first problem. Find the area bounded by the region, these two region. Okay. So draw the rough sketch of this inequations. Y-axis, x-axis, and x equal to 1 to 5. X equal to 1 or x equal to 1 to 5, or y equal to 2 to 5. So y equal to 2 or 2 to 5, y equal to 5. So once you draw these inequations, it will be it is a rectangle. And what is the area of rectangle? Area of rectangle is the length of area of rectangle equal to length into breadth. What is the length? 5 minus 4. 5 minus 1 is 4. Length is 4 and breadth 5 minus 2 is 3. So length is 4 and breadth is 3. So area becomes 12. 12 is square unit. Area next, second problem. Area of the region enclosed by the curve y equal to 1 by x and the line x equal to e, x equal to e square. Value of e is 2.71828. So let us draw the graph of this equation. So if you draw this graph of 1 by x, okay, and from x equal to e square. So e means 2.7. So 2.72 e to e square. Okay. So whenever two x coordinates are given, no need to draw the rough sketch, because we don't need this x coordinates here. Directly you can write y equal to y dx, and y is moving from x is moving from e to e square. To put the values, y means 1 by x dx, and integration of 1 by x dx is log x e to e square. First put the value, first replace x by e square, so log e square, and then replace, after minus, then replace x by e. So first replace the x by upper limit and minus, and then replace x by lower limit e. So in log we can take this power ahead, so it becomes 2 log e minus log e. And what is the value of log e? Value of log e is 1. So put the value of log e, 2 into 1 minus 1. So answer is 1. First option, given in first option. Third problem. Area bounded by the curve y equal to x cube, x axis, and the line x equal to minus 2 to 1. So roughly draw y equal to x cube, okay, minus 2 to, so minus 2, x equal to minus 2 to 1. I am not drawing the exact figure, it is a rough sketch. So we have to find the area between the region, this area. Okay, so let us break this into two parts. Required area will be minus 2 to 0. Break at origin. So minus 2 to 0 y dx plus 0 to 1 y dx. Put the value of y is x cube plus here also 0 to 1 x cube dx. And what is integration of x cube? Integration of x cube is x power 4 by 4 minus 2 to 0 and x power 4 by 4 minus 2 to 0. First replace x by 0. So 0 is 0 power 4 by 4. Then replace x by minus 2. So minus 2 power 4 by 4. And here also first replace x by, here limit is 0 to 1. So first replace x by 1, upper limit 1 by 4, and then replace x by 0. So what will you get? And it is a area, so area will be in the mod. Okay, both the area will be positive. If negative is coming, you put the positive sign, you take the positive, because area, volume, length cannot be negative. So area will be 2 power 4 means 16 by 4. 16 by 4 plus 1 by 4. So answer is 17 by 4. 17 by 4 is given in D option. Next, question number 4. Area enclosed between the parabola y square equal to 4x and y equal to 2x. To draw the rough sketch, here point of intersection is not given, means x is moving from where to where, or y is moving from where to where, it is not given. So first draw the rough sketch. Okay, and y equal to 2x. So this curve is called y square equal to 4x, and this line is y equal to 2x. Okay, so if line doesn't have a constant, then it will always pass through the origin. Okay, so y equal to 2x line. If slope is maximum, this line will be more and more up, and if this slope is less, then this line will be down nearer to the positive x-axis. Okay, so I need the 2 points from where to where. This 0 we know, and this point, what is the here x coordinate of this their point of intersection. So how will you get this point of intersection? Solve both the equations to get the point of intersection of the curve. So here I will replace, I need x values. So I will eliminate the y. I will put y equal to 2x in the parabola. So 2x is square equal to 4x. So 4x is square minus 4x equal to 0. Take 4x common. So x minus 1 equal to 0. So x value will be 0 and 1. So here you will get the x value 1. Now we have to find the area. So area between the two region is area of upper region minus area of lower region. Area of y upper value, y upper curve minus y lower curve. Okay, so take this area 0 to 1, 0 to 1, and y upper curve is parabola. So from this, if you take y value will be 2 root x, and from the lower curve, that is y equal to 2x, integrate this. So 2, and you can write the root x as 1 by 2 or minus 2x. So in both the curve we are getting x. Okay, integrate it, use power rule. So integration of x raised to 1 by 2 is x power 3 by 2. Half plus 1 is 3 by 2. So 3 by 2. And here x square divided by 2. So 2 will be cancelled. Here it will not be cancelled. Okay. Now apply the limit 0 to 1. So what will you get? To take this number up, so you will get 4 by 3 or 1 minus 0, and here minus 1 minus 0. So 4 by 3 minus 1. Then if you take LCM, 4 minus 3 by 3, that is 1 by 3. So B option. Okay, so whenever you have to find the area between the two regions, take the y upper curve minus y lower curve. If you are taking the x coordinates and if you are taking the y coordinates, then right curve minus left curve. Next problem, question number 5. Area of the region bounded by the line x equal to 4 and the parabola. Again, y square equal to 16x. You should have idea about this curve. Y square equal to 16x. Now draw this line also, x equal to 4. So 1, 2, 3, 4 roughly you have to draw. Here exact figure is not required. Okay, so what can you observe about this figure? This figure is symmetrical about x-axis. Okay, so upper area, this region above the x-axis and region below the x-axis will be same. So don't take the find the area of both the region. You just take the one area and double it. So required area will be 2 times. You can name this also O and PQ. So required area will be 2 times area of the region OAP. Okay. So this will be 0 to and this what is coordinate x equal to 4 comma 0. So 0 to 4 you have to take the limit 0 to 4 y dx. So 0 to 4 and 2 times outside. What is y value? So y square is 16x. What will be y? Y will be 4 root x. 4 root x dx. Now take the number outside. So 8 and x power root x means x power 1 by 2. So integrate x power 1 by 2. Integration of x power 1 by 2 will be 3 by 2. X power 3 by 2 upon 3 by 2 and limit is 0 to 4. Take this number in the numerator. So 16 by 3 and first replace x by the 4. 4 raised to 3 by 2 minus 0 raised to 3 by 2. 4 raised to 3 by 2 means 4 raised to 3 by 2 means 4 1 by 2. Take the power separately. So 4 power 1 by 2 will be 2 power 3. Is 4 power 1 by 2 means square root. So square root of 4 will be 2 and 2 power 3 will be 8. So 8 minus 0 and 16 into 8 is 128 by 3. So 128 square by 3 square unit. Next, question number 6. Find the area of the region bounded by y equal to cos x and y axis and the line x equal to 0. So here both the coordinates x is moving from 0 to 2 pi. Just draw the graph if you can. 。 So here both the values are positive. So graph of cos x is like this. Okay, it is not perfect, but it's okay. Pi by 2, pi and 2 pi means here we have to take half of the, okay, so this region and this complete region and half regions. So whenever integration of 0 to pi by 2 sin x dx or integration of 0 to pi by 2 cos x dx is 1, remember this. Okay, that means half of this region will be 1, half of this region will be 1. So 1 from here, area 1, you will get 1 from here, and 1 from here, 1 from here, and 1 from here. Okay, so total area will be 1 plus here you will get 2, area 2, here you will get the area 1. So total area you will get 4 square units. So if you have little knowledge of graph, so you can directly find the area of this given curve. And here if you also by formula you can find out the area, but you will have to break this 2 pi into little smaller part, because if you integrate cos x, see this what I am saying. If you break this 0 to if you take this integration of cos x dx from 0 to 2 pi, so integration of cos x will be sin x and 0 to 2 pi. So sin 2 pi is 0 and sin 0 is also 0. So you will get the 0, but it is wrong, it is not a correct answer. So whenever lower limit and upper limit are giving the same value, you will have to break the this break into the more interval. So here you will have to break into the more parts. So here you write like this: 4 times pi by 2 and cos x dx. So take the 4 ahead and now integrate cos x dx now. So if you integrate this, you will get correct answer. But if lower limit and upper limit both are giving the same value of integration, then it will be, you will always get the wrong answer. Okay. So here you will get sine, here integration of sine x and from 0 to pi by 2 and 4 times ahead. So you will get 4 and sine pi by 2 is 1, sine 0 is 0. So here you will get 4 answer. Okay. So better if you have knowledge of graph, it will be easy to find the answer. Let us see the next problem. Question number 8. The area bounded by the parabola y square equal to 8x, x-axis and latus rectum. What is a latus rectum? So latus rectum is a line perpendicular to the focus. So first find the focus. Let us first find the focus. Y square equal to 8x. Compare with the standard form y square equal to 4ax. So 4a equal to 8. A will be 2. What is the coordinate of focus? A comma 0. So a 2 comma 0. Okay, let us plot this. And latus rectum is a line perpendicular to focus, S2 comma 0. So this is a latus rectum. So you have to find this area. So again this area is symmetrical about x-axis. So instead of finding total area, you find the half area and double it. So required area will be 2 times 0 to 2. Here x is moving from x coordinate is moving from 0 to 2 and y dx. So 2 times 0 to 2 and what is y? y square is 8x. So what will be y? Root 8x. Root 8x. So root 8 will be 2 root 2, and integration of root x will be x power 3 by 2, x power 3 by 2 upon 3 by 2, and take the limit 0 to 2. So here 4 root 2, and take this number in the numerator 2 by 3, and replace 2 by x by 2, and then x by 0. So here you will get 8 root 2, 8 root 2 by 3, and we know that x power 3 by 2 means x root x. Okay, so 2 power 3 by 2 will be 2 root 2. Finally you will get 1632 by 3. 32 by 3 is given in B option. Next, question number 8. Find the area under the curve. Area under the curve y equal to 2 root x enclosed between the 0 to 1. So here both x coordinate is given. X coordinate is moving from 0 to 1. So directly you can find the area. Take the 0 to 1, and y equal to 2 root x dx. So 2 outside, and the integration of root x will be 3 by 2 upon 3 by 2, 0 to 1. So 2 into, and take this number in the numerator, so 2 by 3, and 1 power 3 by 2 minus 0 power 3 by 2. So 4 by 3. Answer is 4 by 3 given in D option. Now find the area of the circle in the first quadrant. So if you draw the figure, okay, so area, total area, we know that area of circle is pi r square. But here we need the area in the first quadrant. So it will, this region will be 1 by 4th of the whole area of the circle. So our required answer will be pi r square by 4. And what is r square? R square is 25. So 25 pi by 4 is a correct answer. Here it is a mistake. This should be 4. So answer is 25 pi by 4. Next, question number 10. Find the area of the region bounded by this ellipse. This is a ellipse. Okay. So what is the area of the ellipse? Okay, so vertex of here, vertex will be A and B. So area of this region, area of the region bounded by the ellipse. So this area of the ellipse will be pi AB. Formula is pi AB. So if you drive this formula, you will get this answer pi AB. So remember this formula. Area of the ellipse is pi AB. So direct result, no need to do any calculation here. Next, question number 11. Find the area bounded by the parabola y square equal to x and line 2y equal to x. Okay, so let us plot the rough sketch. Y square equal to x, then 2y equal to x means y equal to x by 2. So here slope is less. So we have to find this area. So we should know their point of, we need the point of intersection. Okay, for x coordinate. Again, area between the two region is area of upper region minus area of lower region. Okay, So first find the point of intersection of these two curve. Again, put x equal to, put y equal to x by 2 in the parabola. Replace y by x by 2. X by 2 is square equal to x. X is square by x is square by 4 equal to x. So x is square equal to 4x. Take this 4x same side and take x common. So x minus 4 equal to 0. So x equal to 0 or x equal to 4. So 0 will be here and 4 will be here. Means your limit will be 0 to 4. And y upper curve minus y lower curve. Y upper curve minus y lower curve dx. Now put the upper value of y upper curve. What is upper curve? Y square equal to x. So what will be y? Y will be root x. Put the value of y. And y lower curve. Lower curve is 2y equal to x. So y will be x by 2. X by 2. Just integrate this and you will get the answer. Okay. So integration of root x is x power 3 by 2 upon 3 by 2. Integration of x by 2 will be x square by 2, and already 1 2 is there. So 2 into 2, 4, and 0 to power 4. So take the limit value separately. 4 power root 3 by 2 minus 0 power 3 by 2. And here keep the 1 by 4 outside and replace x by the upper limit 4 square minus 0 square. So what will you get? 4 raised to 3 by 2. 4 raised to 3 by 2 means 4 root 4 and 1 by 4 into 16. So 4 root 4 means 2 by 3 into 4 into 2 minus 4. So 16 by 3 minus 4. So if you take LCM, 16 minus 12 by 3, so finally you will get 4 by 3 answer, which is given in the first option. Okay, so whenever you have to find the area between the two region, and if you are taking the x coordinate as a limits, then take the y upper curve minus y lower curve, and if you are taking the y coordinates, then right curve minus left curve. Next, question number 12. Find the area enclosed between the curve y equal to cos 3x. So here direct from 0 to pi by 6 we have to find out. 0 to pi by 6 cos 3x. Okay, and integration of cos 3x is sin 3x upon 3. 0 to pi by 6. Keep 1 by 3 out and first replace x by pi by 6. So 3 into pi by 6 minus sine 0 into 3 into 0 will be 0. So sine 0 is 0. So 1 by 3 and pi by 2. Sine pi by 2 is 1. Sine 0 is 0. So answer is 1 by 3. 1 by 3 given in D option. Again here area, question number 13. Area bounded by the curve y equal to root x and the line x axis in the first quadrant. Let us draw the rough sketch. Y equal to root x means only upper part will become y equal to root x, and then x equal to 2y minus, so take the arbitrarily value of x and y for coordinates. So when you take x equal to, when you take y equal to 0, if you put y equal to 0 here, what will you get? X equal to 3. And if you take x equal to 0, what will be y? So for x equal to 0, y will be, take x equal to 3. Don't take 3. So, and when x equal to 0, y is minus 3 by 2. Okay. So plot this point 3 comma 0, 3 comma 0, and minus 0 comma minus 3 by 2. So 0 comma minus 3 by 2. Okay. So I am taking this as a 3 because this curve will be more large. We have to find this area. Okay, we have to find this area. So better to take the y coordinate here. Okay, and let us find this. We need the point of intersection. Okay, we need the point of intersection. This value we know here y value is minus 3 by 2. Y value is minus 3 by 2, and when x equal to 0, x equal to 0, y is minus 3 by 2, correct. So minus 3 by 2, 2. Now solve the point of intersection. So here we need y value. So replace x. X will be y square. So y square equal to 2y plus 3. So y square minus 2y minus 3 equal to 0. Now 3 into 1 minus 3 plus 1. So y is 3 or minus 1. Point of intersection will be minus y equal to minus 1. Okay, so minus 3 by 2, 2. Minus 3 by 2, 2. This will be 3. This is minus 1, or okay, so we have to find the area in the area bounded by this curve only in the first quadrant. So ignore the other. We have to find the area this area. The point of intersection is y equal to 3 or minus 1. 3 will be in the up. Y value is 3. Y value is 3. Now to take the limit y coordinates, area will be y equal to 0 to y equal to 3. And when you are taking x coordinate as a y coordinate as a limit, now here take the x right curve minus x left curve, x dy. Okay, so 0 to 3, and x right curve, what will be x right curve? Y equal to, x equal to 2y plus 3. So 2y plus 3 minus, and y, and what is the left side curve? Left side is curve is y equal to root x. So x will be y square and dy. So just integrate area of 2y, y square by 2 plus 3y minus y cube by 3. So 2 will be cancelled, and from 0 to 3. So 9 plus 3 into 3 minus 27 by 3. So 9 plus 9 and 9 plus 9 minus 9. So answer is 9. 9 square unit is the answer. Next 15. Question number 14. Find the area of the area bounded by the ellipse and the line. Okay, so this line is, if you draw the rough sketch, okay, if you draw, so here A and B, and this line will be x plus y equal to A. This line is x plus y equal to A. Okay, so we have to find the area bounded between the region this. Okay, so 0 to A. So take the 1/4 region of the ellipse. Total area of the ellipse is pi by area of ellipse is. So our required answer will be, area will be 1/4 pi AB minus, and area of triangle OAB, half, base is A, this base will be A, height will be B, so AB. So pi AB by 4 minus AB by 2, B option. Area bounded by the parabola and the line. Question number 15. Area bounded by the parabola and line y equal to x. So if you draw the rough sketch, it is a upward parabola, x square equal to y, and y equal to x line is this. So we have to find the area between these regions. This is x equal to 1. If you solve this, you will get x equal to 1. Now here we need x coordinate. Again we have to find the area between the two region. So area between the two region is, if you are taking limit as x coordinate, then area you will have to take the upper curve, y upper curve minus y lower curve, and the point of intersection will be, I think you put y equal to, replace y by x here, so x equal to this, so x square minus x equal to 0, so x minus 1 equal to 0, so x equal to 0 or x equal to 1, 0 to 1. Our required area will be 0 to 1 y upper curve minus y lower curve y dx. Now 0 to 1, what is upper curve? In the upper curve is y equal to x, so x dx, and lower curve is y equal to x square. So integrate this, x square by 2 minus x cube by 3. Integration of x is x square by 2, integration of x square is x cube by 3, 0 to 1. So 1 by 2 minus 1 by 3. If you take LCM, 3 minus 2 by 2 into 3. So 1 by 6, you will get answer 1 by 6. Next, area enclosed between the two parabolas, only one parabola is given, one parabola and line. Area bounded by the parabola y equal to x square. Okay, two parabola Okay, question number 16. Area enclosed between the two parabola. Both are not parabola. Actually, only one parabola is there. Y square equal to 4ax and line y equal to x. So we have to find the area between these two. Okay. This is the same. Achha. Here it was x square equal to y, and here it is y square equal to 4x. Okay. So again use the same trick. First we need the point of intersection. So first solve this. Here you will get 0 to 4. If you solve the both, here I can easily see x square equal to 4x, x equal to 0 and x equal to 4. So limit will be 0 to 4. If you solve both the equations, put y equal to x here, then you will get x equal to 0 and x equal to 4. So limit will be 0, limit will be from 0 to 4. And in the upper curve, y value is 2 root x, and lower curve, y of lower curve will be x and dx. So integrate this 3 by 2 upon 3 by 2, 0 to 4, or x square by 2, 0 to 4. So 4 by 3, and if you put x equal to 3 by 2 minus 0 minus 4 square by 2 minus 0. So you will get this 8, and minus 16 by 2 means 8. So take the 8 common, and 4 minus 3 by 3. So you will get answer 8 by 3, I think. So 32 minus So answer is 8 by 3. You will get answer 8 by 3. Next question number 17. Area bounded by the curve y equal to tan x, x axis, and line x equal to pi by 4. If you take the graph, graph of tan x in the, okay, I am taking the positive value only, x axis and line pi by 4. So this half will be pi by 4. This is the graph of tan x. Okay. So we have to find the area between x axis and line x equal to pi by 4. So take area will be 0 to pi by 4 tan x dx. Integration of tan x is log of sec x, 0 to pi by 4. So log of sec pi by 4. Log of sec pi by 4 minus log of sec 0. Okay. After applying the limit, first replace x by the upper limit minus, then replace x by the lower limit. So log sec pi by 4 will be log this root 2, and sec 0 will be 1. So log 1 is 0. So you can write this as 2 power 1 by 2. You can take power ahead. So 1 by 2 log 2 answer. Answer is 1 by 2. There is again printing mistake. 1 by 2 log 2 is the answer. Then question number 18. Area of the region bounded by x square equal to 16x, and so here y coordinate is moving. Required area will be y equal to a to y equal to b x dy. Okay, y is moving from 1 to 4, and x will be 4 root y dy. So 4 y power 3 by 2 upon y power upon 3 by 2, 1 to 4. So 8 by 3 and 4 power 3 by 2 minus 1 power 3 by 2. So 8 by 3 and 4 power 3 by 2 will be 8 minus 1. So answer will be 56 by 3. D option. Find the area of the region. Question number 19. Area of the region included between the two parabola. So whenever the two parabola are given, so area is 4a by 4a into area is 4a into 4b by area between the two parabola, area between y square equal to 4x and x square equal to 4by is 4a into 4b upon 3. Here a in both the curve a is used, so replaced a by b, b by a. So answer is 16a square by 3. Okay, so remember this area between the parabolas y square equal to 4x and x square equal to 4by is 4a into 4b upon 3, and here 4a and here also 4a into 4a by 3. So answer is 16a square by 3, first option. And then area of the region included between the line xy equal to 1 and the circle. So draw the rough sketch. So this is x plus y equal to 1 will be this line. X plus y equal to 1 means this is 1 comma 0 and 0 comma 1. Okay, so we have to find the area of the region included between this line. Okay, now area of circle is, and this is a 1/4 of the circle, 1/4 of the circle. So area, required area will be area of 1/4 of circle minus area of triangle. The area of 1/4 of circle will be pi r square by 4 and minus area of triangle will be 1 by 2. Length is 1, breadth is 1. Okay, so what is r? R square is 1. So pi by 4 minus 1 by 2. Pi by 4 minus 1 by 2. Then find the area of the region bounded by the, so I have taken 2 extra questions from the miscellaneous. Find the area of the region bounded by the curve y minus 1 ka whole square equal to 4 x plus 1 and the line x minus 1 equal to 1. ठीक है, तो draw the rough sketch. Point origin here, shift of origin will be minus 1 comma 1. So minus 1 comma 1, minus 1 comma 1. This will be vertex of the parabola, and y equal to, and point of intersection, first plot this line. So when x equal to 1, y equal to 0, and when x equal to minus 1, y equal to minus 2. So when x equal to 1, y equal to 0. So 1 comma 0 is a 1 coordinate, and minus 1 comma minus 2. Minus 1 comma minus 2. And let us find the point of intersection. Area of the region bounded by the curve, these two curves. So here I will take y coordinates as a limit. So y is moving from, put x equal to 0. Okay, so now solve both the line and parabola together. What will you get? So replace, here I need the y value. So replace x by y. Y minus 1 square equal to 4 and x equal to y plus 1. Y plus 1 plus 1. So y square minus 2y plus 1 equal to 4y plus 8. So take all the terms on same side. Minus 7 equal to 0. Minus 7, 7 into 7, minus 7 plus 1. So y equal to 7 or minus 1. When y equal to minus 1, when y equal to minus 1, x equal to 0. तो ये वाला लाइन का एक कोऑर्डिनेट हो जाएगा. और दूसरा, when y equal to 7, y equal to 7, x will be 8. Okay. तो 8 comma 7, 8 comma 7. So roughly I am taking this 8 comma 7. So I need the y value. Y value is from minus 1 to 7. Okay. So we have to find the area between the region. Area will be, here I am taking the limit as a y coordinate, minus 1 to 7 directly. I am not breaking at a 0 origin. Minus 1 to 7. And y, when you take y coordinate as a limit, then what will you take as an integral? X right curve, x right curve minus x of left curve, x of left curve, x dy. ठीक है, minus 1 to 7 and x right curve. Right curve, in the right curve what will be x value? X equal to y plus 1, y plus 1. And what will be this x value from the this left curve? So x value from the left curve will be y minus 1 square by 4 minus 1. माइनस 1 मतलब प्लस 1 हो जाएगा, माइनस माइनस मल्टीप्लाई होके ये डी वाई. ठीक है, अभी इसका काम तो हो गया है और इसको मिटा देता हूं मैं. नाउ इंटीग्रेट दिस. नाउ 1 प्लस 1 2 हो जाएगा. ठीक है, तो माइनस 1 to 7 एंड y माइनस 1 का स्क्वायर बाई 4 प्लस 2 dy. नाउ इंटीग्रेट y स्क्वायर बाई 2 माइनस y माइनस 1 क्यूब बाई 3 into 4 12 प्लस 2y and minus 1 to 7. Okay. Now put for y equal to 7. तो 49 minus 1 अपॉन 2 आएगा इसके लिए. और इधर क्या आ जाएगा? When you take y equal to 7, 7 minus 1, 6 का क्यूब 216. And when you take y equal to minus 1, तो minus 2 का क्यूब, तो माइनस माइनस प्लस हो जाएगा, 2 का क्यूब 8 हो जाएगा. एंड 2 7 माइनस माइनस प्लस 1, सो 48 बाई 2 24 माइनस, और ये कितना हो जाएगा 224 बाई 12 और प्लस 8 इंटू 2 16. तो 16 और 24 40 हो जाएगा. ये 4 से कैंसिल हो जाएगा. तो 4 3 जा 12 and 4 5 ja 20 and this. Now take the LCM. So 120 minus 56 4 64. So answer is 64 by 3. Answer is correct. Answer area is 64 by 3. Okay. So directly you can also take the limit. No need to break at origin. If origin is occurring in between the curve, directly you can take the region. So if you are taking the y coordinate as a limit, then take x right curve minus x left curve. And when you are taking the x coordinate as a limit, take y upper curve minus y lower curve. Remember this. One more problem is there, and find the area of the region bounded by the curve y equal to 4x square, y axis, and the line. Okay. So it is a upward parabola. Okay. Y equal to 1 and y equal to 4, and y axis this one. That means we have to find this region. Okay. So take area will be, I am taking the y coordinate as a limit, ya to yb x dy. So 1 to 2 and x. So from this curve, what will be x? X square is y by 4. So x will be root y by 2, y by 4. Okay, so x, this will be always positive. So y must be positive. So that is why we are taking the first quadrant. Okay, so x is becoming the root y by 4. So here x is greater than or equal, for x should be greater than or equal to 0. Y must be positive. We must take the y positive value. That is why I am taking this this region only. I am not taking this region. So y must be positive. So x must be positive and y also must be positive. That means region should lie in first quadrant. We should not take this region. Okay. If you take y negative, you will this x will becomes negative. So that's why you can't take a region left side of the y axis. Okay, so x is becoming root y by 4, and this value must be positive. Even if you take plus minus also, okay, so x is positive means when x will be positive, if you take positive value, so y must be positive. For x positive, y positive होना चाहिए, and x negative के लिए again y must be positive. So reason will be always in the first quadrant. Now take the x will be, what will be x? Root y by 2 dy. So 1 by 2, y 3 by 2 by 3 by 2, and limit 1 to 2. So 2 get cancelled. 1 by 3, 2 minus 1. So 1 by 3 and 2 root 2 minus 1. Sorry, limit value is 1 to 4. Limiting value is 1 to 4. 1 to 4. 1 to 4. So 1 by 3. First replace y by 4. 4 power 3 by 2 minus 1 power 3 by 2. So 1 by 3 and 8 minus 1. So 7 by 3 answer. Area will be 7 by 3 units. Okay. So that's it for this session. So we have done many questions. It will be revise your whole concept in this MCQ problems, all types of concept of area under the curve. Application of definite integration will be revised. So watch it again if you have not understood, and once you understood this much problem, you can easily solve any type of problem in the this chapter. Okay.